Ayan, I'm hungry, dude. What do you want to have for dinner?
Pizza. I want pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you make it for home?
Oh no, well, let's see. Homemade? No, I'm tired. Let's order. Huh? Net is not working. There's no connection. I can't call also. Oh,
It's okay, Papa. Let's make homemade pizza.
no, dude, homemade no. You want to eat pizza, right? I'll get you pizza. Let's do one thing. I'll go and get the pizza. Okay? You wait. It'll take just 20 minutes. Okay? So I'll just lock the door and go. And I've got the keys and everything also. Okay? If anyone comes, don't open the door. All right? We can play and enjoy. I'll just come back. Okay? Quickly. All right, dude. Bye.
Who's there?
It's me, Papa.
Come in. Grab the keys.
Oh, I forgot the keys in the car, dude. Can you just open it? Hi. Sorry, I forgot the keys in the car. Oh, I'm very tired.
Yeah.
I'm very tired, dude. Now,
Papa, where's the
let's-
pizza?
Pizza? No, Ayan, let's make something at home and eat. Is sandwich okay for you?
But Papa, we agreed for pizza.
Pizza? That was 2 days back, Ayan. We ate the pizza now, not today also.
Papa, sometime back you left to get a pizza.
And I think you just got confused. That was 2 days back, dude. What's happening with your memories? Let's make something at home and eat, please.
Papa, where are you? Papa, I'm scared.
And hold my hands, I'm here only. I think the light has gone. Okay, don't be afraid, don't be afraid, I'm here only. Wait, let me on the lighter. Okay, let's do one thing. Can you just sit over here and I'll just go and see what's wrong with the electricity.
No, Papa, I want to come with you.
Okay, do one thing. Come, let's go. Come, follow me.
Papa, why is it so dark in here?
I don't know, dude. Let's on the lights. Okay. I don't know what was wrong. Nice fun we had at bowling, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it was good game. You won today, but next time I'll win, okay? I'll beat you next time. Come, dude. Throw the ball. You're good at bowling, but not catching. Dude, why didn't we get pizza when we were coming? I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Let's do one thing. Let's order pizza.
Yeah. Who is it?
Wait. Who's there? At this time?
Who's there?
I'll have to go and check.
Papa, what's happening?
Dude, stay back. Stay more back. Don't be scared, okay?
Papa, come fast to me. Papa,
And that the same father and son, they are waiting for the pizza.
Papa, we finally made it to the start.
Yes. I think we finally made it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You guys are lucky we came. Very lucky. Right, Ayan?
Yeah.
What's happening? Where have you come from? Why do you guys look like us?
Can you explain?
Yeah, we are really scared. We don't have any money. No, we don't know exactly what happened, but I think we are time traveling. It's not just us four. There are many.
Oh my god.
It's okay, and we are safe now. We are safe. No need to be afraid and panic. We have come to the start.
There are many of us here, not just 4 of us. It all started when Papa went to get the pizza. Oh yes, we were going to order pizza.
Yes, just now. Now we have found a start. Because the pizza was the start, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for opening the door. Because half of them were not opening the door also. Come. Oh, Ayan, this was difficult. Oh, lights have come back. Oh my god. What is happening? These. And now these.
Who are you?
Who are you? Are we dreaming?
Can anyone explain what's going on?
Yeah, please. I guess everything is repeating itself. We are stuck in time. It's a fact, you can see. We are from the future, they are present, and I think you are from the past. Right? I think they must have gone to check the
Right.
light. I think the lights were gone. Those are from that time zone. Right?
Yeah.
Come here, come here. Where's the bat?
Anyone who goes out of the door, it won't be same who came in the door.
What?
You're not my papa.
Why are you saying that? I am your papa.
When you went out to get pizza and then you didn't come and get pizza, does that mean you're the same?
Okay, that's what they were. Okay.
Yes, Papa, you said that.
When did I say?
Not you, Papa, that Papa.
Oh, I think I'm not your real papa. Right?
Yeah.
That's why I didn't have the keys when your real papa said he had the keys. That's why you were saying pizza. Where is pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, dude. Where is your real papa then? Where is his real papa then? Hey, Anna. That's your real papa. Go to him. Got pizza. I think this is going to be continued. We are stuck. We are stuck in time.
Forever.
Correct. Forever.